Two bed, one bath, 863 square feet. 9,583 square foot lot. 2915 South 42nd Street, Lincoln, Nebraska, 68506. Cutest ranch out right now. Check out this absolutely adorable two-bedroom, one-bathroom home near schools and amenities in the popular South College View neighborhood. You'll love this low-maintenance, one-level living ranch with laminate wood flooring throughout the main living area and primary bedroom, an adorable turquoise kitchen that's all ready for you and freshly painted, and a lovely dining room with large double French doors leading out back to a huge backyard with some great perennials and lots of room for customization and entertaining. She's cute and she won't last long. Schedule your private showing today.